In this ContiConnect Web Portal walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced filters to quickly find any vehicle in your fleet based on specific criteria that you can choose. Starting here in my vehicle list, you can see all the vehicles I've created in ContiConnect. Now, depending on your fleet size, this could be a lot of vehicles to sort through, so we're going to want to use the filters to find a specific vehicle or type of vehicle or even alert. Now, up here at the top, I'm going to click on the funnel icon, which will open up the advanced filters window. Here you can see plenty of options to help you sort through your vehicle list and find exactly what you're looking for. You can filter by vehicle status, meaning if you have vehicles set to active or inactive in ContiConnect. You can also toggle connectivity type and billing status, which aren't typically used, but they're still available options. Vehicle group lets you choose what type of vehicle you're filtering by, so commercial, specialty, passenger, or a mix of those three. And if you have any vehicles that are partially equipped, fully equipped, or vehicles that have been created but have not been equipped with sensors yet, you can select that here in the vehicle sensor status dropdown. Vehicle type lets you search for a specific vehicle such as trailer, tractor, or truck, or any others, and you can also type in this box to start searching for a vehicle instead of scrolling. Initial signal status will filter vehicles that have sensors that have all been read or vehicles that have only had some sensors read recently. And depending on if you're searching for yard, light, or live, the product type filter will help you toggle through these. The final dropdown you can filter by will be the sensor types. If the vehicle you're searching for is equipped with valve sensors, for example, you can turn that filter on here. Now we're going to go on to the alerts, and this section lets you filter based on the type of alert a vehicle has triggered. You can go through and individually select which alerts you want to look for by clicking the checkboxes, or if you want to see all of a specific type of alert, you can click or unclick the checkboxes on the left-hand side, and that will turn each specific type of alert on or off for your filter. Now, these can be used alongside the dropdowns that we've just looked at to really narrow down your search. So for example, I'm going to search for only my live vehicles that have any Act Now alert triggered. And no, we have nothing, so we're all good. So now we're going to look for just any live vehicles regardless of the alerts. And we'll search for that here. And there we are. One live vehicle pops up. So now we can go back into the Advanced Filters window and click Reset Advanced Filters, and that will put all selections back to the default settings. When we click Apply, we can see all of our vehicles again in our My Vehicle list. Now, one final and important note to remember is that once you've set filters, they will stay that way even if you log out and log back in at a later time. The filters will not reset on their own, so be sure you check on them first if something looks off or if you can't find a vehicle in your vehicle list. It might just be that you have a specific filter setting on and you forgot to reset them.